Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your mobile phone as your webcam. You can use an Android phone as well as an Apple phone. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So guys, to do this, you will need the app Droidcam both in your PC and in your mobile. For your mobile, you can just easily download the Droidcam app from Google Play Store. It's available there. And for PC, I'll show you how to download it. So guys, to download Droidcam client on your PC, first go ahead and open your browser. Then type Droidcam client, press enter. Click on the first website to get Windows. They have 47 apps. Here's the Droidcam client download tool. This link will be in the description below, so you don't need to worry. So let's go ahead and download it. So let it get downloaded and let's open it. Let me just finish the setup. So guys, as you can see, we finished our setup, and as you can see, Droidcam is installed. It's that simple guys, it's that simple. So guys, to use our mobile as our webcam, we first have to connect both our PC and our mobile, and we are going to connect it via internet. Make sure that your mobile and your PC is connected to the same internet. Guys, let's go ahead and connect Droidcam app in our PC and Droidcam app in our mobile. So you need to have Droidcam app in your mobile open, and it's gonna look something like this. You'll have a Wi-Fi IP and Droidcam port. So now let's go ahead and open Droidcam app in our PC, and as you can see, there will be a device IP and device port. Make sure that both your PC and your mobile is connected to the same internet. As you can see, we're going to connect it over Wi-Fi. Make sure, again I'm telling this because this is important, your PC and your mobile needs to be connected to the same internet, and it's going to work then only. So now go and press start, and as you can see, my hand which is recording, which my mobile is recording, can be seen in my PC also. That's awesome, right? Yeah. So now we're gonna see how we can use this as a webcam in Zoom or any other communication app. So guys, let's go ahead and test this on Zoom. So guys, as you can see, I have Droidcam running. And as you can see, that's my PC camera, and I actually have a webcam. Now let's go to Zoom. Let's try this out in Zoom. Let's go to video settings. As you can see, this is my PC camera. And in my PC camera you can see a mobile, and that's the mobile which I am using as my webcam. So if you can just go ahead, click on this camera options, go and click on Droidcam source 2 or 3. So as you can see, my Droidcam Android mobile is recording the PC camera, and if I switch this over to my normal PC webcam, it is recording the phone which I'm going to be using it as my webcam. So guys, it's that simple. I know the explanation is a little bit complex, but here you go, that's done. So if you want to use this in Zoom, just go to settings, go to video settings, go to your camera settings. Over here there'll be multiple camera options. Go ahead and click on Droidcam source 3 or Droidcam source on 2. It's going to be any of them. So guys, that's it. So guys, if you really like those types of videos, consider subscribing. Yeah, please do that. That really helps me. and like the video, so I would do more of these types of content and post them on YouTube. So wait, don't go away. I would like to make a few shoutouts. Okay, this is Pro Minded Robin's YouTube channel. He's one of my friends. He makes awesome tutorial videos on drawing, crafting and many more stuff, so be sure to subscribe to him. So this channel belongs to Geo guys. They post videos on geography. These people's videos are damn interesting, guys. Be sure to follow them on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. So guys, this is Ajay Hulmani's YouTube channel. He makes really cool gaming videos, guys, so be sure to subscribe to him also.